In this video, I'll show you how to use Claude AI to write customer emails. This is a quick way to create clear and professional responses for customer communication. To begin, I'll make sure I'm already logged into my Claude account and on the main Claude screen. Next, I'll click inside the message box in the center of the screen, where Claude asks, "How can I help you today?" Now I'll type a prompt asking Claude to help write a customer email. For example, I might type, "Write a customer support email responding to a delayed order." After typing the prompt, I'll click the send button. Claude will generate a professional email response, including a greeting, explanation, and closing message. If I want to customize the email, I can include more details in my prompt, such as the situation, tone, or company policy. For example, I might type, "Write a polite email apologizing for a delayed order and offering a discount." Claude can also help adjust the tone of the message, making it more friendly, formal, or concise depending on the situation. Once the email looks good, I can copy the text and paste it into my email platform before sending it to the customer. And that's it. I've successfully used Claude AI to create a customer email. If you found this tutorial helpful, please consider liking the video and subscribing for more quick AI tutorials and guides.